Hi guys, welcome to my channel Unboxing Evo. Today I am going to unboxing an unique utility gadgets. Yes, you have heard right. I am going to unboxing Wahl Beret Trimmer. Yes. So this is the product I am going to unboxing now. Please stay tuned. As you can see, the product will come like this. I have purchased through Amazon in Amazon Great Festival Days. I got it around 7,000. So it's a good product compared to other brands like Philips, Xiaomi, etc. So it's a professional Wahl Beret Trimmer. It's a Pro Lithium series. So here you can see, if you charge about 60 minutes, you will get 75-minute runtime. So it is made in USA, and you can charge cordless or cord. You have detachable blade also. So these are the features comes with this beard trimmer. So without, on the back, various languages they have given the features of this beard trimmer. So without wasting the time, let's open this box. Let's cut this. So it's very tight. You have seen. So inside the box you will get this type of placement and nothing else in the box. So this is the proof of purchase on paper they will give, paperwork. So this is a warranty card come manual. So let's move straight away. So this is the trimmer we are getting. It will look like this. So this is the blade cover they will be given. So after trimming you can cover it like this. So this is the trimmer itself. You can have a look over it. So it's a very nice trimmer. You can hold it like this. It will perfectly suits into your palm. So usually these trimmers you will be seeing in salons. So it is perfect for giving a hair crop or beard shape. So in fact 0 mm trimming will come very perfectly with this compared to other brands. So here you can see on and off switch. So on the bottom you can see the charging dockets. This is an LED indicator, and apart from this you are getting a charging wire. You can charge it directly to this also, like this. You can charge it directly to this also by pinning the plug into the wall, or else otherwise without cord also they have given docket. So you can insert this like this. Here they have given the socket over here. So you can place it like this, and you can place the trimmer over here. So this is a cordless charge, and if you put the wire directly into the charger, that is non-cord charge. Okay. Apart from this, they will be giving so nothing inside the box. Apart from this, they are giving 3 clips, and also it is for the solution is for cleaning the blades. I recommend you to please clean the blades with this solution after the work is over. So the cleaning brush also they have given. So these are the things you will be getting inside the box. So this is Wahl Beret. This is Wahl Beret Trimmer. So in this trimmer you can open it like this and you can place it and you can fix it over here. This is also detachable. Be careful. So it is tactile function is also good. I think it has not charged, so I will charge and on. So that's it from the unboxing, friends. So usually this is a good brand and the best brand, I think so, in the trimmer section. So usually these type of brands you will come across in salons, and it is used for fine shaping of the beard and fine trimming. So this will be good. Please go and check it out in Amazon, as the days are still continuing. Thank you guys. So we will be meeting in the next video. Hope you enjoy, and if you like the video, please share it. And if you like the video, please share it and hit the thumbs up button. So that motivates me to give more videos like this. Thank you. See you next time.